I bet you didn't know that particles can be connected across galaxies. Let's unravel this mind-bending mystery. Imagine two particles. Let's call them A and B. When these particles become entangled, the state of A instantly influences the state of B, no matter how far apart they are. This isn't science fiction. It's quantum entanglement. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. He, along with Podolsky and Rosen, showcased this in the famous EPR paradox. Measure one particle, and boom, the other state is determined instantly. Crazy, right? But wait, it gets cooler. Quantum entanglement powers quantum computing and cryptography, promising faster speeds and unbreakable security. It's like the universe's own high-speed internet. Think of it like Lord Krishna's universal form, everything interconnected in a cosmic dance. Entangled particles are dancing together, defying distance and logic. So next time you gaze at the stars, remember, somewhere out there, particles are having their own interstellar chat. Mind officially blown? Let's keep exploring the universe together.